Hello. The purpose of this presentation is twofold. I want to first introduce new users to Wafidi, an emerging technology through which students can interact with screen prompts from their cellular phones or via the web through a computer. I then want to demonstrate how I've shown my students how to respond to prompts, questions, or problems using Wafidi. The first step to using Wafidi is to access the site by using your web browser and typing in www.wifiti.com and hitting enter. If you've never used Wafidi before, then you need to sign up to use the site. This is free. Once you've entered the required information, press sign up, and from there you will be able to log in. At the home screen, you can browse screens that other people have made, check the buzz of Wafidi, or make a screen, which is what we're going to do today. At the make a screen, you can add a tag to your new screen that will allow others to search for it, although I always leave this field blank as I want my screens accessible by my students only. You can set a content rating, which is defaulted to rated G, meaning that any use of profane or obscene language will not get through the filter to be displayed on the screen. Next, you can upload a background image. You don't need to do this as the screen defaults to black. And finally, you can give your screen a title. With my 8th grade reading class, we've been analyzing Dr. King's speech, I Have a Dream. So I'll title the screen, I Have a Dream. Here you can preview the screen if you've uploaded a picture. If not, it'll just show a black screen. Hit the Publish Screen button. And once again, you'll see a Publish screen, which shows you the identifier, the unique identifier that has been given to your screen, the title that you've given it. And once again, you hit Publish Screen again. And if you're successfully published, this screen will show the number to text to, what you have to text in the message field, and it'll start you with the message that you want to post. Here is where you need to teach the children that 87884 is the number that they're going to text their message to. This number will get you to any Wafidi screen. However, to get to your screen, they have to put the @ WIF53323 in the message field. If they don't do this, then they will not get to your screen. Once they've done that, they can press spacebar and start typing in their response to whatever your prompt, problem, or question was. If they don't have access to cellular phones, they can go to the site via computer, create a login ID, use your screen title to search for your screen, and respond to the screen in that manner. Because responses are displayed over the web, students who use cell phones are given random screen names that attach to their phone numbers. Because of this, I ask my students to put their first names after they've typed their messages so that I might identify them. To show you how screens or messages interact on the screen, I'll post an answer. You can press the square that's in the lower left-hand section of the screen. And as you can see, Wafidi displays messages in real time and toggles between messages so that each one has prime screen time. I've used Wafidi as a tool to check for understanding in both my reading and math classes. Students generally respond to messages that are displayed by either agreeing or disagreeing with them, praising them for a good post, or even questioning what has been written for clarity. One more feature that I'd like to show you is the timeline feature. And if you click the timeline button, you'll get a a screen that shows all of the posts that responded on your screen. You can print this out to look at later for data or for further review. If we pull up one of my older screens, you can see how many responses interact with the screen. And they stay for a few seconds and then they toggle to someone else's response. That's Wafidi. Thank you.